Domain and range of the functions. What are functions? Domain and range. Functions have rules for what goes in and comes out. Let's call them domain and range. A function is like a machine that takes an input, does something to it, and gives you an output. For example, imagine a coffee machine. So the input is milk, and coffee is the output. The domain is all the inputs a function can accept, and the range is all the outputs it can give. Consider the popcorn machine. Input is corn kernels, and the output is popcorn. Input is domain. Output is range. Let's consider the function y equals to x plus 2. X values are input values, which is domain, and the y is the output, which is range. Let's consider one more example. The function is y equals to square root of x. Domain is all positive real numbers, which the function takes as input, and the range is all the positive values, which the function gives as output. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.